This viral video trend is dominating every social media platform you can think of, and this video creators are making thousands of dollars from TikTok, YouTube, Facebook Reels with just simple prompt and some AI tools. You don't need to have any video editing experience nor be an expert because this AI tools I will be showing you will do all the hard work. Just relax and watch AI do the magic. In this video I will be showing you every step of the way how you can create these types of videos and everything you need to know while creating this type of content, from the script writing to the image generation. This AI tools will take care of everything for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe for more related content on how to start your AI videos creation. First step. Create an image prompt. This image prompt will do most of the hard work. The links to this prompt will be in the video description. First and foremost is to generate a unique prompt with ChatGPT. Open and copy this unique prompt on the screen and paste in on ChatGPT. It will generate the animal cooking journey, and after generating, go back to copy the second prompt. Once done, go back and paste the prompt on ChatGPT to generate the image prompt for all the scene. After generating, go to Leonardo.ai to generate the images for each scenes. Go to image creation section, adjust the image dimension and the required details. Once done, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt to generate and paste it into Leonardo.ai. After generating, do this for the rest of the image prompt and paste them one by one to get the remaining images. Turn images to video with hailuo AI. Go to hailuo AI to turn those images you have generated into video form, and it easy and quick with hailuo AI, and you can create multiple account in other for you to get more credit. Do this for all the images you have generated and download them once you are done converting the images to video form. Select the image, upload it and copy the video prompt that ChatGPT has generated for you and paste it in the description below. Click on Create and do this for all the images with their appropriate prompt. This process may slow you, that is why you need to create multiple accounts to generate the videos at the same time. Next step. Open Suno AI, create a new account. We use Suno AI to generate music. Go to ChatGPT and ask for calm and cool music that will fit the video, copy the lyrics of the song, go back to Suno AI and paste the lyrics. Paste the music style in the appropriate section, click on Generate, play the song to listen to it, choose the one you want. You can regenerate the songs again if you don't like any of them. Once you are done, download the songs. Editing the video in CapCut. Download CapCut and install, then open CapCut to edit the video. It's very easy to do. Upload all of the videos you have generated from hailuo AI to CapCut, also upload the music. Once you are done, arrange the videos accordingly starting from the cat from the grocery store, add the music you have downloaded from Suno AI, also add the sound effect to enhance the storytelling. For the scene where the cat is frying food, add a seasoning sound to make it effective and real. For the scene where the cat is chopping and cutting, add the chopping sound to match the effect. Drag and place each sound effect in the required place to make it more effective. Next step is to add transitions to it to make the scenes change from one video to another effectively. Apply the transition to make it smooth and good. Remove the watermark. Increase the video length to remove the watermark. Replay the video to see if there is any error, and once you are done, export the video, choose 4K resolution and export. Finally, we have successfully generated the AI video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you feel lost, you can watch the video again to understand it fully. Thank you for your time. Leave a comment on your thought and which video you want next.